Hey, my name's Nathaniel Ramos, and this is Lab 5, the vending machine. Here you can see it starts off at 55 cents. When you push this, it goes in increments. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you go any more, you run into that error. So for here, we'll keep it at 3. This is a penny. So every time I push this, it'll add 1. This will add 5 cents. This will add 10 cents. And this will add 25 cents. And if I press this, this will reset it. But first here, I'll start off by buying a soda. See, it goes down the appropriate amount. You get the vending. Now I should run into another error when I try to buy it when I don't have enough. Just a second. Oh, I can't add money while I'm trying to do that. And now we'll reset it. When I press reset, it'll go back to 0, 3, and the maximum amount we could have is $10. And if you try to add more money, we'll run into that error. Now we'll vend it. We should get I'm trying to think of how I run into error number 3. Oh, the reserved. If you go into the reserved, this is the reserved. Now if you try to vend it, you get that third error. All right. Thank you. Have a good day.